Now this test case which I'm going to create, this is particularly belongs to the CSS site or the DOM site, or you can consider with for those specifically those who are working for the Google Analytics. They have to identify the particular tags in the DOM that should be present. So those who are already working for the Google Analytics site, they can consider it specifically and they can understand it, the worth of these test cases. So for example, now for you have to identify that this div contain this particular class or not. So as I have mentioned that we can take the value of this div like this and have to verify this that under the this div, this class, the name of this class, it has been applicable for this particular only div, and the name of this particular class is the same product label or not. So let us update here this XPath. So now we are going to that as we have verified or as we have already initiated this particular web element, so we have to just take the value of, here we have the next test case is related to get attribute value. So we, what are the attributes? Attributes are the value under that particular tags. For example, the attribute of this select is class. The attribute of this div is id. This div is also contain the attribute id. This div contains the class. So one single element or one single that particular tag contain multiple, as we have this one as a id container. We can go on for any of the attribute. So now in this example, we are going to take the value of this class. What is the value of this class? So let's again create one string expected attribute, that is, we can take this as a expected class. On runtime we have to take the value of this particular. So what we are going to do, we are going to take the value of string actual attribute value. On runtime how we can take it, as we have dashboard dot attribute. Now here you have to define that which attributes value you are going to verify. As we have to take the value of the class, so we are going to define here the class that we want to take the value of the class attribute. So again, if condition with the expected and the expected attribute dot equals, here we have to define this actual else it will be failed. Under the else it should be failed. So we will execute it here and we'll see that what is going to be done. So here we have some, okay, here we have this one as a error, it's the typo. checking the value of the code and the runtime that all everything is okay or not under my code. So it is maximizing, and now see, everything has been passed. Thank you.